Let's learn how to print the half pyramid. This is half pyramid. What pattern C which pattern 3 we see here is a half pyramid. The pattern 6 is also half pyramid, but which is half right pyramid. So for that, print this using while loop. Okay, print half pyramid using while. I'm okay. Now what do we need? Think of it as a rows and columns. Okay, consider rows equal to 5. Okay, how many rows? Take n. Okay, while row, okay, while n less than, okay, sorry, I less than n. So to make it actually, instead of 5, take row, okay, which is helpful for us to understand this code effectively. So while row, what is row? Initially 0. Okay, while row less than, not greater than, less than. Okay, so as long as row is below the 5. Okay, so make this loop, you know, so that condition will be true and loop will be executed. So while column, take column. Okay, column less than row. Okay, what is column? Take column. I have to column here, call equal to 0. Okay, so because here think we have here first column, second column, third, fourth, fifth. Yes. Okay, and rows 1 2 3 4 5 5 rows. Okay, just think of this whole rectangle, but only half of the rectangle is filled. So and I have to increment column, I have to increment row, and now print row comma column. Okay, we are not going to do anything yet. So column is what controls the inner loop. Okay, so for that reason, what we are doing, we have to increment column. Otherwise, this loop will not fail. This condition will not fail, and this loop will not be terminated. Right? Isn't it? So 3 things. Can you see we are using initialization, and then we have a condition, increment, and outer loop also. I have to actually row to make it work. How to increment. Now what can we do? Execute. Try and execute this one. Up pyramid. And can you see here? Yeah. So what I will do, I will put some print statement here. Okay. And I will use here and empty space so that these things are printed in a same row. So we will understand when loop terminates, when new loop starts. Can you see here? Okay. The first loop executed 1 0, right? Because while row is, to make it even effective, just put a format, row column. Okay, format of. Now try. Okay, so row is 1, column is 0. Row is 2, column is 0. Row is 2, column is 1. Right? While row is 3, column is changing. Can you see here? While row 3, column 0, row 3, column 1, row 3, column 2. Because for outer loop, see, while the control enters the outer loop, and if until the condition is false, this inner loop will be executed. So that here, this is the inner loop, right? Whatever you have here, this column is getting incremented, that is inner loop. Row is, can you see, row is incrementing 1, 2, 3, 4. This is outer loop. For each outer loop, we have actually inner loop is getting repeated. Do you understand? Okay. So what I will do now, instead of just comment this thing out, okay, print what I wanted to print, star. Okay, and not doing anything because it won't work at, you see this one. Okay, so I have to give end. Okay, so because implicitly new line is added, and check this, it is working. Okay, so half pyramid, okay, which is quite easy. Just let's give spaces around. Okay. Let's do one thing. This is half pyramid, and let's print this one. This is also half pyramid, right? Half. Okay. And we have center pyramid, inverted pyramid. So let's print that. How to print that one? So think of that one, how it uh, half pyramid, how it is go here. So we have spaces, right? Can you see here? Of course, we can do this with formatting quite easy. Okay. So this is with the while loop. Let's do this thing with the for loop. Okay. Print and same thing what you will do for row in range of n. Yeah. For call in a range of row. Print a star and equal to star. Print. Check this. Both are working, right? So it's quite convenient when it comes to for loop. Easy. Okay.